Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a classic French baguette with simple ingredients you already have at home. If you love country bread with a soft airy inside, stay tuned and watch to the end because this method works like magic, even without bakery equipment. If today is your first time of tuning in, you're welcome. Please like, subscribe, and share. To my new subscribers, my old subscribers, I want to say thank you so much. These are all the ingredients we'll be using. Stay tuned and enjoy.